everybody!
Hello.
Happy Gluten-Free Friday.
Happy Gluten-Free Friday. We're back with a very special partner.
Another amazing recipe this week. We're making something super simple. It's great for entertaining or just great when you want something that's quick and easy to make. When you want a little snack.
We're making a little guaci.
Yeah,
A
making some guac.
guaci with hatch green chili. As you can see, our little setup.
Our assortment.
We're going to be using the mild diced green chilies.
They also have a hot one if you want to spice it up. But we're going mild today.
Yeah. We don't want to dampen our palates with some spice. We want to be ready to eat it all.
Yeah. One serving.
One serving. Yeah, this is one serving.
That's for Christina. Mine's off camera.
So we've got everything measured out. We'll explain as we go. First, I'm gonna mash the avocados.
Yeah.
There's 4 avocados in here. I just cut them up so it'd be easier to mash. But yeah. Avocados.
Okay, 4 avocado.
So now, I'm gonna mash.
So
This is so much easier than that little fork.
I know. I just got the fork. I'm sorry. So we have red onion, some chopped cilantro, salt, lime juice, and some pepper. And of course our hatch.
And the hatch.
One
chili.
trick that Colin taught me, he always says that you should mash your avocado with your onion first.
What?
Yeah, because he says that makes it more flavorful. Should we try?
We can try.
Okay. I don't know.
With onion.
That's just his expert. He's a good guac.
He's a good guac.
He's a good guac. He's a good guac guy. Whenever we do our little fiestas at work, we always have a little taco party. We do one for every holiday.
Yeah, honestly.
Every holiday we have tacos, and Colin always makes the guac, and it's so good. I don't know. I think it just releases the juices, that onion flavor, and helps.
It's like muddling.
Yes, exactly.
With onion. Ooh, a drink with onion in it. Muddle onion in a drinky. Would you do that? Would you try one?
I would.
There's a restaurant
that's a good texture.
There's a restaurant that's local to us that makes a savory drink. What if we made a guac drink? You're not into it?
Guac drink? No.
Okay.
Okay. All of it?
Yeah. Well, not all of it, but it's fine. To taste, but I think all of it might be fine.
I did a lot of pepper.
Oh.
Let me just do all the salt.
She plopped.
Might as well. So yeah, definitely taste it and season it.
Yeah, I think it's good though. There's a lot of avocado, and that needs some seasonings to be yum.
Yum. Okay. Yeah.
Started a show.
Now we add our hatch.
A super easy recipe, to be honest.
These are all pretty simple. Oh my gosh, can't get the rest out. Pretty simple ingredients.
I'm gonna sneeze.
Less.
Ooh.
What do you like more of a chunky guac?
You guys hear that?
ASMR. Do you guys like more of a chunky guac or a smooth?
I like a chunky. I feel like I'm a chunky, for salsa too. That's the debate. A chunky salsa. Do you like? I like a chunk.
I like a puree.
Really? For salsa or
for salsa? For guac, I also like more of a puree. I think this is a good texture.
Yeah, it's not that bad.
I like having a little bit of texture, but something about tomatoes, I can't do the tomatoes. I can't do a chunk of it.
Yeah, I made the onions pretty teeny.
Yeah. It looks
so
good.
It's not that bad.
I think the hatch also, just smell-wise, it adds a really nice
aroma,
really nice flavor.
Okay.
I'm ready to try. Cute.
Wait.
And so much guac.
Thumbnail. Wait, hold on.
Okay.
You hold up some chips.
We have Doritos because we ran out of tortilla chips.
Okay, ready? Thumbnail.
Okay. Cute.
So, thank you.
If you have regular tortilla chips, we recommend.
No, this is gonna be good. I just know it.
Okay,
you go.
Ready? Oh no!
They're notwithstanding the guac.
It was me.
I want a bit of everything.
I didn't have a good grip on it. We didn't cheers.
Oh.
Okay. Cheers.
I'm sorry. Wait, I'm going with corn for you.
Oh, I like that.
One more.
Oh, I like that. Retry.
It adds flavor. I want some chilies. I'm not a big cilantro girl.
Me neither, but that's good. I think this is the best guac I've ever had. Colin, I'm sorry.
Colin, start putting hatch and green chilies in your guac.
That's a game changer, honestly. It adds a really nice flavor.
The spicy ones would be good too.
It would be good if you like a little spice, I will say. Wow.
Yum.
And look how much this makes. Very, very simple.
And that is 1 serving for me.
Yeah, we could make it. Well, that was like the shortest gluten-free Friday ever.
Literally.
Yeah. Well,
We'll see you guys next week.
do we have anything special planned for next week?
No.
Oh. No. Well, I guess you'll wait and see.
Yeah, it's a
What we have in
surprise for
store.
all of us.
Yeah. Make sure you... No, you're good.
Okay.
Make sure you head to glutenfreemore.com. Check out some new recipes that we have on the blog.
This will be up next month.
This will be up, and you can keep an eye out for it. But we'll give you the sneak peek, and we'll link it down below. We'll give you the recipe.
Yeah, period.
But yeah, we'll see you all next week.
For another Gluten-Free Friday.
Bye.
Bye.